So I didn't do the weekly update for you guys on Flux Local on Monday, and that's because I was delivering our stage 1 training on how to launch your local newsletter. This is included for those of you that pick up the lifetime deal. You can find a link down to that in the description, but I just want to show you what everybody got when they signed up and when they were doing the first part of the training, in case any of this interests you. So the first thing we have in the Start Here section that people were getting is our local newsletter playbook, 30 proven growth and monetization strategies. But what's good about these is we've organized them so they go from when you've got low subscriber numbers and then up. You know, when you hit different milestones of subscribers, then you can put different growth strategies and monetization strategies into place. What we also have in here is, you can see Troy put up for us the training. It was just under an hour of training on how to get your first newsletter set up using Beehive and then written using Flux Local. And we included an absolute ton of freebies that are going to help you out. We showed you how to use AI to create your logos and all the graphics you're going to need. We talked to you about the best way to set things up so that you are starting with all the right things in place from day one. We gave you AI prompts as well in order to be able to create the graphics, in order to be able to get these newsletters written as quickly and efficiently as possible. And what we also included in this was some templates. So you can see here, we have the template for the welcome email, where all you've got to do is put it in your newsletter name, local city or neighborhood, or the name of your newsletter, and then you're away. You can use that. As well as a load of links to give you discounts on AI tools that we used and ESPs such as discounts on Beehive. So that's everything, and that's just stage 1. We have stage 2 here on growth. We have stage 3 here on your social media setup, and stage 4 here on your first monetization options. This is coming over the next couple of weeks. We're doing growth on Friday, and I just wanted to show you what's going on here in the Discord, what you can get your hands on in case any of this interests you at all. So if it does, first link in the description, sign up. Like I said, you've missed stage 1 training, you might miss a couple of others, but all the replays are going up, so you'll be able to get them. You won't be able to turn live to the ones you've missed, but you'll be able to get the replays. You'll be able to take action. This is not fluff. This is actionable step-by-step advice of what you need to do, plus all of the tools that you need so that, you know, when you're naming your newsletter, we have an AI tool for that. When you need to do your tagline for your newsletter, there's an AI tool for that. So you don't have this decision paralysis or over-analysis of anything. You just use the tools, get the job done, cut and paste our templates, change a few bits, and you can get your newsletter set up really, really quickly. Then, like I said, on Friday, we're going to move on to growth and show you how to get those first subscribers under your belt. If any of that is of interest to you, first link in the description. We've taken down from the lifetime deal the outline of all of this in the Discord because you've obviously missed day 1. It will all come back up. But if you're happy just catching the replays and not attending things live, then this is all still accessible to you. It's not going anywhere. It is part of the lifetime deal. You just don't get it live because we've already started the cohort. You just have to join in a little bit late, and you'll have to catch up on what you've missed in your own time. So if you've got any questions, drop me a comment, and we'll see you in the next video.